Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to check your timing chain on the F30 BMW. So you press the hood release thing, whatever, twice, and then you should pop your hood up, and then you just pull it up, and then you got your timing chain. You can actually visually inspect it here. So you just open the engine cap, and it's in there. So you just put some flash on. So can you see my one looks okay? So what you can do is put your hand in there, and you can wiggle it about. If it wiggles about too much, then you got a problem there. But yeah, mine looks okay. I have wiggled it about with gloves on before. It wasn't moving much, but when it's cold it will move a tiny bit, just a tiny bit. If it's moving excessively, then you got a problem. You just put this back on. I can't even close the lid now. Get this in lock. But yeah, that's how you check it, guys. Very simple. If in doubt, oh, it's all the way, that's why. If in doubt, go take it to BMW, they'll do it for you. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.